Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting concepts in modern tech, blockchain. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because in the upcoming videos we'll go even deeper into this fascinating world. So, blockchain is one of the most important technological revolutions of the last decade. At its core, it is a system for recording information in a way that is almost impossible to change, hack, or cheat. Unlike traditional databases, blockchain offers transparency, decentralization, and high levels of security. In this video, we are going to explore how it works and why it matters in a nutshell. To simplify the idea, think of blockchain as a notebook that is not owned by a single person, but shared among everyone. Anyone can look at it, anyone can add information to it, but once something is written inside, no one can erase or modify it. This makes blockchain a powerful tool for building trust in digital environments, where otherwise it is very hard to guarantee that information has not been manipulated. The name blockchain comes from its structure. Information is grouped into containers called blocks. Once a block is filled with data, it is locked with a digital signature and attached to the previous block. This process forms a chronological chain where each new block strengthens the security of the previous ones. Imagine links in a metal chain. The more links added, the harder it becomes to break the chain apart, right? Another key element of blockchain is that it does not live on just one computer like mine or yours, right? Or in a company's server. Instead, identical copies of that blockchain are stored on thousands of computers across the globe. Every time a new transaction is made, all these computers update their copies to match. The system of distribution makes it extremely difficult for any hacker or malicious actor to alter the data, because they would have to change it everywhere at once, which is practically impossible. Now, here are some key terms you should know about in the concept of blockchain. To understand blockchain better, let's define some essential terms. A block is simply a storage unit for data and transactions. Each block has a unique identifier called a hash, which works exactly like a fingerprint to prove its authenticity. Mining is the process of confirming transactions and adding them into blocks. Usually they performed by powerful computers solving mathematical problems, like some puzzles. We call those computers or people behind that computers miners, right? And finally, decentralization means that no single government, corporation, or individual owns the system. The control is shared by everyone in network. Now let's walk through a transaction example. Suppose Alice wants to send money to Bob using a blockchain-based system. The transaction is first broadcast to the network. Then, the miners, which we have been talking about in the previous section, or aka validators, group this transaction with others inside a block. They check if Alice truly has the funds, and then she is authorized to send them. Once everything is validated, the block is permanently added to the blockchain, and Bob receives the money. The entire process happens transparently, and everyone can see the record of this transfer. While most people associate blockchains with Bitcoin and Ethereum, the technology goes far beyond cryptocurrencies. Governments and organizations are exploring blockchain for digital voting systems to reduce fraud and increase trust. In supply chains, blockchain make it possible to track goods from factories to stores with full transparency. Artists and creators are using blockchain to sell digital art as NFTs, proving ownership of unique digital assets. Even healthcare and identity management systems are adopting blockchain to secure sensitive information. To summarize, blockchain is more than just a trend, guys. It is a new foundation for building digital systems that are secure, transparent, and decentralized. By eliminating this need for intermediaries and making records tamper-proof, it has the potential to reshape industries worldwide. In the upcoming session, we'll go a step further and actually build a simple blockchain together so you can see how the pieces come to life in practice. So that's a basic overview of blockchain, what it is, how it works, and why it matters. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's curious about blockchain. And stay tuned, because in the next videos, we'll dig deeper into real-world applications and even start coding on the blockchain together.